Hello, everyone. Welcome to another audio case study on the Efficiency and Reliability podcast. In this episode, we delve into the numerous challenges faced by owners of fouled combined vertical feed exchangers, including unknown fouling characteristics, inaccessibility issues, and the serious safety risks associated with failed cleaning attempts. Let's start. The challenges for owners of fouled combined vertical feed exchangers are numerous. So arguably one of the most critical assets on a plant, these challenges include unknown fouling characteristics, inaccessibility faced by traditional cleaning and inspection service contractors, but leading to their inability to remove fouling from both internal and external heat transfer surfaces. Failed attempts often lead to serious safety issues. So why do Texas towers foul? VCFEs were originally designed not to foul. However, over several decades, these units have often been pushed to the limits or have been subject to inadvertent carryover, such as catalyst and oil on the shell side, as well as the usual buildup of polycyclic aromatics, gum-like deposits, and very hard hydrocarbon coke scale. In this particular case, the refinery based in Canada experienced several failed attempts at cleaning the 60 feet vertical tubes to a standard suitable for IRIS inspection. The refinery was recommended to approach Integrated Global Services about their tube tech engineered cleaning suitable for IRIS integrity assessment. The alternative would have led to substantial capital replacement expenditure up to $8 million and all the associated costs that replacement entails. Here are some quick facts about the cost. Typical operational capacity, 32 megawatts. The cost of generating 1 megawatt hour of electricity when the price of oil is $90 per barrel is $52. If VCFE fouling is 40%, average loss is $5.60, 6 per annum. So here's the scope of work. 1,434 tubes per exchanger, total 2,868 tubes. 100% of tubes to be cleaned to production standard. 10% of tubes to receive enhanced cleaning ready for IRIS inspection. Deposit characteristics rubber, chewing gum consistency, polycyclic aromatics, hydrocarbons, hard inert coke, and ferrous oxide scale. IGS set up bespoke tube tech cleaning technology to access the tube face to drill, descale, polish, and inspect the tubes. During the cleaning, projectiles left behind by previous contractors were identified and removed. This unique service guarantees that all Texas Tower VCFE tubes can be simultaneously cleaned and inspected to IRIS standard, allowing asset integrity assurance and minimizing substantial asset replacement and associated costs. After completing the project, IGS received the following feedback. The project was completed to the required standard, meeting the IRIS standard. Excellent levels of communication were maintained throughout. The service provided was value for money with no rework required. And that concludes today's episode. Next week, we'll delve into a new case study for discussion. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this podcast. I'm your host, John. See you next week.